Today, we review the best 5 baking pans that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list.
Number 1.
Nordicware Commercial Baker's Half Sheet. Nordicware Baker's Half Sheet is a 2-piece baking sheet which is made with a durable pure aluminum for flawless baking. During its construction, the pan undergoes through stringent stages for a strong quality and excellent performance. The pan is designed to withstand regular use. Its rust-free properties give you reasons to own one and enjoy your food without contamination.
Number 2.
Nordicware Leakproof Springform Pan. Owning a quality baking pan does not have to cost you an arm and a leg. Nordicware has made your home baking easy by designing this amazing springform pan. Featuring a non-stick coating, Nordicware Springform Pan will deliver great performance with years of flawless cooking. Its ample baking space and design allow you to prepare 10 cups at a time, making it ideal for large production. With this pan, you do not have to worry about messing up your oven or table, thanks to its leak-free tight seal.
Number 3.
Calphalon Nonstick Bakeware Set. There is nothing which can be frustrating like missing your favorite delicacies when your bakeware cannot allow you to prepare them. But with a bakeware set, you have the freedom to surprise your loved ones or customers with professionally baked foods. Each piece features an industrial-grade carbon steel which can withstand extreme temperatures without warping. The steel has incredible heat conductivity for even bake and browning.
Number 4.
Good Cook Non-Stick Cookie Sheet. Bake with confidence with this quality bakeware from Good Cook. The package comes as a 3-piece set which comprises of a large, medium and small-sized baking sheet. With this bakeware, you can choose the right size anytime. Each piece is made using a high-quality non-stick coating which allows you to prepare greasy foods without staining. The surface also allows you to release your food with ease while preventing staining and any need for scrubbing.
Number 5.
USA Pan 1607 CR Bakeware. In case you may need a quality baking pan which offers ample space for your delicious treats, then why not try this USA pan? The bakeware boasts of its commercial-grade aluminized steel construction which allows even heat distribution for flawless baking. With this bakeware, you can prepare your cookies, cakes, and scones like a professional. Its light color gives even browning, allowing you to enjoy your delicious treat in the comfort of your home. The coating also facilitates easy release of your treats and fast cleanup.